that's one thing I talk to students about the most. I mean, we talk about, the vibe. Everyone's had that experience going into a studio when there's someone in there that's just not in a good mood, or that's just foul, or it's an engineer that's just like, that doesn't want to be there because he's a frustrated musician, or whatever. And, I talk about vibe and energy, and it's all about that, Everyone has a song that they feel like has been written since the beginning of time, and to me, that's somebody in a good place mentally, in a good place energy-wise, and they're able to channel it down like with just big antennas for all this amazing stuff that's out there. We just grab it. I've been with people that struggle with lyrics, and like, forget the lyrics, just go in the booth and give me gibberish. Because 9 times out of 10, the gibberish, you key in on syllables that I feel like you're tuning in on. It sounds like a wacko whatever thing, but I feel like you're tuning into something that's pre-existing, and you don't hear it clearly, like it's not dialed in quite, but you're getting pieces of it. You're shutting off the analytical side of your brain and just concentrating on the artistic. And that's the biggest thing. I tell people 10,000 hours is a thing, because when you no longer have to think, how do I, you just do, which is amazing. If you're coming in and you're sad, let's write something sad. Let's work it out, because it's all therapy at the end of the day. I mean, I don't know how many times I've sat down and I worked through have people that sit down and they work through a divorce by writing a song about it, And it's not, and at the end of the day, they're happy to listen to it, even though it was about a miserable time, because they're no longer in that time. So like, wow, I was actually there, but I'm not there anymore. So you got to have the right vibe, and just don't come with negativity. Basically, negativity breeds negativity, and good vibes breed good vibes. Which ones do you want? Just being able to give back and have kids do things and have them, just grow and go on and do, amazing things in New York and LA. I like sharing. I like watching people take what I do and then having them move with it, and then come back to me and show me stuff, which is great, keeps me young. To me, it's like giving back and having other people grow and do and take the ball from there is what it's all about. I just say listen, the smartest people on the planet listen more than they speak, and when you basically let other people expend their energy and you just absorb what's coming at you, and then just try and work with it. I feel like I feel like you want to basically make sure that you put forth what you're about so people get it, but it has to be, the timing and the place has to be right. I made the mistake in the past of trying to produce in a session that was clearly supposed to be just the engineer, and you step on toes, you do all kinds of crazy stuff. Even though you're excited about it, your personal excitement might be misplaced, because there are other people with other agendas in there, or other people that are, for lack of a better term, not as good as you are in the room, and then you mess with their vibe because they feel like they're knocked out of place because they're no longer the alpha in the room. Keeping the right energy is keeping positive, listening, and just and reacting, trying to react intelligently, I guess.